Hi lovely, welcome to our pimples treatment. So this our client booked an appointment for pimples. As you can see, his face was already damaging. So firstly we had to go with 𝕮𝖃𝖙. 𝕮𝖃𝖙 is getting rid of all the excess hair from his face. The next thing we went with the face scrub for pimples to be able to get rid of all the dead skin cell on his face. Next we went to steaming. The steaming process will help to open your pores so that we can be able to extract all the pimples under his skin, and this is the extraction process. So like I said, there's a difference between the pimples and the acne. In simple library English, the acne that the one when you bust on the person, you can see grease coming outside, you can see the thing coming outside, jelly butter. But the pimples are the one when you bust in, either water can come outside or blood or pores, and this is what he was suffering from. So there's a particular facial section for pimples. Yes, that's a reason. Normally we can tell you say the facial runs from 40 to 80 depending your face conditions, because everybody don't have the same face condition. So this is all trying to extract all the pores from in his skin before we can be able to go ahead with other procedure. It wasn't an easy job, honestly, to get rid of all the pores. Next, we had to apply the face mask and use a laser machine. Now, this is where the real job is. There's a particular facial section for pimples, like I said initially, and that particular facial section is referred to as a PRP, which is the palette-rich plasma. If you have the time, you can read about it and you will know. So the PRP facial helps to treat the pimples from the root, because if you don't use the PRP facial for the pimples treatment, it will obviously keep coming back. So what's going to happen now is that it's going to dry the bumps. Within 2 weeks time, all the bumps will dry, and then after the PRP we add a micro needling as well will be okay for you. So this is a result from the first section, and he due to